Hey you guys, yeah, coming back from Prescott the other day, got a few bugs on the windshield, so I went to use the windshield washer, and oh, yeah, see, something's going on there. Just a little bit came out of this one here. Yeah, so let's figure out what's going on there. Okay, let's verify we do have washer fluid. And yes, looks like I could top it off here, but do you see it down there? Okay, we got washer fluid. These are connected. Now it looks wet here. So let's go back inside. Oh, look at there. So it looks like we got a gusher underneath, or inside the... Oh, ah. Well, there we go, right there. That's our issue. Okay. How does that happen? Okay. There we go. Okay, well, that's an easy fix. I like easy fixes. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll need to top that off, but yeah, I was wondering if it was going to be the pump, and the pump is actually down at the bottom of the reservoir here, and on the other side on the. So you have to. Easiest way to get to the pump is take this off, and it's going to be right there. So yeah, that's a way to get to the washer fluid pump. Make sure that's tight in there. All right, I like easy fixes. You know, hopefully you guys learned something on that. I learn something every time I do this stuff. So anyway, nice short video for you. Appreciate you guys. Share this with a like-minded person that wants to fix things themselves. And God bless. We're going to go camping again next weekend. Haven't decided where, but yeah, looking forward to that. And appreciate you guys. Love each and every one of you. We'll see you next time.